Brad Williams, Frugal Finance, lesser known credit card perks that can save you money and stress. Those perks are there. It's just, can you remember? I can't. Therefore, when choosing a credit card, the first benefit that often comes to mind are rewards like cash back or points. However, many credit cards also offer lesser known perks that can add significant value to your experience. These benefits can range from travel-related protection to purchase safeguards, helping you save money and avoid inconveniences. If you're not taking full advantage of these perks, you're missing out on valuable opportunities. There are a few under-the-radar credit card perks that could make a big difference. Trip cancellation and interruption insurance. Travel disruptions are common, and if your trip is canceled or interrupted due to unforeseen circumstances, some credit cards offer trip cancellation or interruption insurance. This coverage may reimburse you for non-refundable travel expenses, like flights or hotels, if your trip is cut short or delayed for covered reasons. Popular cards like the Chase card or American Express offers robust protection for these situations. Luggage protection. The frustration of lost or delayed luggage can ruin a vacation, but with luggage protection, credit cards can provide reimbursements for damages for lost baggage. Cards like Chase or Capital One offer up to $3,000 per person for lost or damaged luggage, helping cover the cost of essentials you may need to purchase if your bags don't arrive on time. Priority boarding and free checked bags. Certain airline branded credit cards offer priority boarding, allowing you to avoid the rush and settle in comfortably before takeoff. Many also offer free checked bags, a valuable perk if you travel with more luggage. Cards such as Delta's or American Express or Citi provide these benefits, saving you time and money at the airport. Airport lounge access. Airport lounges provide a peaceful, comfortable space to relax with complimentary drinks and snacks away from the hustle and bustle of crowded gates. Some premium travel credit cards like Chase or American Express offer free access to over 1,300 lounges worldwide, making your airport experience much more enjoyable. Rental car insurance. When renting a car, you may be offered pricey insurance at the rental desk. If you have a credit card with rental car protection, you may be able to decline the rental company's insurance and use your card's coverage instead. Cards like Chase and Capital One provide primary rental coverage, which means you don't have to rely on your personal insurance policy. Purchase protection. Purchase protection can save you money if an item you bought gets damaged or stolen. Many credit cards like Chase or American Express covers new purchases for a specific period, usually 90 to 120 days, ensuring you won't have to pay out of pocket if something goes wrong. Extended warranty. A warranty extension is another perk offered by some credit cards. These benefits add an additional year of coverage to your manufacturer's warranty on eligible purchase. American Express and Chase are examples of cards that extend warranty coverage, providing peace of mind on bigger purchases like electronics and appliances. Cellular phone protection. If you rely on the smartphone for daily tasks, some cards offer cell phone protection in case your device is damaged or stolen. With cards like Ink Business or Chase, you can protect your phone when you pay your monthly bill using your card. Coverage is typically subject to a deductible, but it can save you hundreds of dollars on repairs or replacements. Final thoughts. Credit cards aren't just about making purchases. They can be valuable tools for travel and purchase protection. If you're not already taking advantage of these lesser-known perks, you could be missing out on significant savings and convenience. Make sure to read your card's terms and conditions to learn about the full range of benefit it offers and start using them to your advantage. This is no endorsement of these particular groups. If you have any question about these little-known perks, comment. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. See you soon.